ফেলেছে এরা, আমার মেয়েটাকে মেরে ফেলেছে।
উদ্ধার হয় তার মৃতদেহ।
You know, guys, the girl was a victim, Dr. Momita Devnath, who was second year PG student of Kalyani Medical College and Hospital. Her home was 10 minutes away from my house, and there are a lot of cars, lot of protests happening, lot of political leaders are coming to her house to console her parents. So it is so brutal. And let me share you something, that the year was 2020. At the time, a huge accident happened in my brother's life, my big brother. And a lorry came and there was a face-to-face accident. And there was a huge damage happened to my brother. His collarbone damaged, his one arm damaged, his one leg was very brutally injured, and he was bleeded from the head to leg. And we were like in the confusion that will he alive or not. There's a huge confusion. We were crying, we were praying God, and this year was the worst year of my life. And at the time, luckily, with the blessing of God, we went to RG Kar Medical College. And the doctors, they were so good, they are super. I mean, they just treat my brother in a good way, they operate, and they also give mental strength to my brother that if you done this accident, then we are there to cure you, don't worry, just bear the pain. And also they launched plate to my brother's hand, collarbone, and also his right leg. Though I have seen to suffer my brother for more than 1 year. In 2022, after 2 years, he started walking. Right now he's living and he's proper, he's having YouTube channel, he's doing great in his life. But I can't believe, even a lot of people can't believe that he's alive. You know what? When the accident occurred, the whole road was bleeded. People were like, one person died, a young guy died. That was the rumor. But luckily, God saved him. Matara saved him. And God, you know, God not only is come in the form of idol, it sometimes come in the way of doctors. As we say, doctors are God. But right now, if you will go and RG Kar Medical College, the doctors are protesting, they are sitting in front of the gate and saying no safety, no treatment. So this is the actual question, where is the safety? The doctors who saved my brother's life, the doctors who saved millions people's life, what if that they are the victim of brutal murder?
চেস ডিপার্টমেন্টের সেমিনার হলে বিশ্রামের জন্য ঢুকে যান, আর আজ সকালে এই সেমিনার হল থেকে উদ্ধার হয় তার মৃতদেহ।
My brother is fine. Me and my mom also used to go to TRIT and RG Kar Medical College because you know it is a very good medical college in Kolkata, which is located in Damdam. So it is not in the village, you know, that it can happen in the midnight and nobody knows everything. But we are surprised at how these things happen. So actually, you know, I'm just too much mentally sad in this case. That's why I just can't see how the thing happens. And whenever I'm thinking all the things, it's just attacking my mind and panicking. Okay, so this girl, she was a very good from her childhood. As for the knowledge, as for her neighbor says, she's a very calm girl, a peaceful girl.
ঘটনা পাড়ায় একটা মেয়ে, ভালো মেয়ে, সে নেই, এটা মানতেই খারাপ লাগে।
Her family members are talking about and planning about their marriage in the next year.
ছিল আমরা প্ল্যান করছিলাম সামনের বছর বিয়ে হবে, তো সেইখানে দাঁড়িয়ে আমাদের মেয়ের।
So when ABP Ananda and all the news channels went to the girls' house, the neighbors, they were saying like she was a very good girl, a calm girl, a very decent girl, and everything was happened to her is very bad.
প্রচন্ড ভালো মেয়ে, মানে ওর মতন ভালো মেয়ে হওয়া মুশকিল।
And when they went to the murderer house, Sanjay Roy's house, people, his neighbor, they're complaining about him. He was a liar, he was a civic volunteer, but pretends to be armed battalion of Kolkata police.
তো হ্যাঁ কেমন সঞ্জয় মদ খেয়ে নিলে নিজের বাড়িতে যা খুশি করে এটাতে বিয়ে টিয়ে করেছে অতটা জানি
And he also took a lot of money from his neighbors, and he all the time drunk. He had married 5 women. 5 times he get married, and he is a very criminal mentality person, a sadist person who was having a pornographic video in his mobile phone.
সঞ্জয়ের ফোনে পাওয়া গিয়েছে পর্নোগ্রাফির বহু ভিডিও। শুক্রবার রাতে আটক করা হয় সঞ্জয়কে।
He was a person who's in the department of Swasthya Sati, I think, and also giving the bed to the patients who need it. But at that night, he went with the drunk situation and in around 3 p.m. and came before 4. And within this 20 and 30 minutes, he just killed alive, which is just disgusting. It is just a shame. And you know, right now the main issue is the students of medical college, and there is a protest, there is a huge protest, and this protest is not limited in only RG Kar Medical College but also in another colleges like Darjeeling Medical College, Burdwan Medical College, and also Kolkata Medical College, and also Delhi AIIMS also sent a letter to our Chief Minister, and also Chandigarh Medical College also sent declaration to our Chief Ministers. They wanted to know the real reason of that, a documentation of that. We want justice. Yes, we want justice again and again for this girl, and we also want justice for the girls, for the Nirbhaya, for the Kamdani, where they didn't get the justice. We want a very big punishment, and that can be eye sinner for all the people who have the mindset of it. It can change, you know, this case can change a huge mindset of people who are a bad mentality person, thinking bad about girls, always blaming girls, and the people who are blaming this girl like, okay, he must have some relation. This is so disgusting. I don't know which kind of person they are, but we make sure that these things should not be repeated in future, but it can be. You know, all the students, all the girls, they're saying that their principal, even the principal also says, why the girl was alone? I mean, why a girl cannot be alone in a college? And she was not a normal girl, she was a doctor, she was in her duty. And the girls and the lady doctors and also the boys doctors, they are protesting, and according to them, they do not have separate bathroom. The senior doctor says use the bathroom of the patient. They do not have lock system in their changing room.
হাসপাতালে প্রপার চেঞ্জিং রুম নেই, প্রপার সুস্থভাবে টয়লেট জায়গা নেই, অথচ আমাদেরকে ডিউটি দিতে হবে।
And they are alone in the night. There is no proper CCTV footage. You know, if there might be a CCTV footage, that it can be solved. The same thing happened in previous year 2023, 8 August, I think, Swapna Neel murder in Yadavpur University, and surprisingly this month is also August, and 2 stars they died. They both a good student. One was a doctor and one was a very good student. So where is the safety? And right now, RG Kar Medical College, lots of college, they are protesting. You know, if something bad happened to your family, my family, we were not able to go to the hospital and treat our people because the hospital service doctors are protesting. But we need to understand there is also a reason why they are protesting. They are protesting for their safety. If they are not safe, then how they will treat us? I wish that Indian judicial system should be changed. It can give a brutal punishment that it can change the views of the people who have the right mindset. And also another thing is investigation should be very fast. And I don't know, I think when guys they used to rape, there is a very huge influence in their mind, and they think girls are very weak and they think they're superior, they're drunk. I don't know which kind of mindset they're having. But I wish that boys, mothers, they should teach their boys how to respect women. And I also seen the mother of Sanjay Roy, who was saying his son married a cancer woman and all things happened bad to her. She was continuously blaming. She was saying that, you know, somebody will talk about his boys, you know, अपमान हुआ है and all. So just क्या हो रहा है? But one thing also I have seen yesterday that doctors are fighting with themselves. एंड पुलिस आए, उनका बाल पकड़ के निकाल रहे थे. प्रोटेस्ट के नाम पे ये वो भी नहीं कर सकते हैं. यू नो, आजकल जब भी रास्ते में जाते हैं तो डर लगता है. एंड ऐसे लोग, द पीपल हु आर लाइक संजय रॉय, हु इज क्रिमिनल माइंडसेट, ही जस्ट किल्ड अ इनोसेंट गर्ल इन हर स्लीप. Guys, I don't know, just the way I have given you the example of my brother, how he was injured and he cured and he sent back to his life, and how he is living a great life right now. And all credit goes to the doctors of Arjikar Medical College. But today, they are not treating people. They are in danger. It's time to save not only the doctors but also every woman in this world, in this beautiful India. There's a lot of girls like her, like you, like me, and all safety goes to the good mindset people. मैं चाहती हूँ कि ऐसा पनिशमेंट मिले कि ये एक निदर्शक बन के रह जाए. एंड जो लोग चिंता भी करते हैं ना ऐसे रेप एंड ऑल, वो थर थर काँपने लगे. एंड और भी बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं, लाइक कैसे हुआ, बस वो एक तो नहीं कर सकते बिकॉज इट वाज टू ब्रूटल. उनकी हार्ट टूट गए, देयर वाज अ लॉट ऑफ घाव इन अ बॉडी. सो कुछ ना कुछ तो होगा ही, एंड वो असली चीज़ सामने आए, उसको जस्टिस मिले. क्योंकि यू नो वी फॉरगेट एवरीथिंग. 2-3 दिन ये प्रोटेस्ट हो रहा है, उसके बाद हम सब अपने अपने काम में बिजी हो जाएंगे एंड सब भूल जाएंगे. एंड पुलिस विल ऑल्सो फॉरगॉट दैट इफ वी आर स्टॉपिंग द प्रोटेस्ट. अगर वो जो इतने सारे लोग प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं, अगर दे स्टॉप प्रोटेस्टिंग, देन पुलिस भी स्टॉप हो जाएंगे. उसके बाद उन फैमिली को जस्टिस नहीं मिलेगा. और जो ये लोग घूमते हैं ऐसे, जो संजय रॉय की तरह जो ऐसे नीच हरकत करते हैं, दिस चॉविनिस्ट पीपल, दिस मेल चॉविनिस्ट पीपल, वो फिर से वही चीज़ करेंगे जो ट्रेडिशनली होता जा रहा है कमदुनी में, पार्क स्ट्रीट में, हथरास में, अभया. I was watching a documentary where it was asked to the Nirbhaya, I think in Nirbhaya Kanda's Nirbhaya incident, the rapist, there was a documentation, a girl took the interview and he said it was the girl's problem why he was alone. वो अकेला था, इसके लिए उन्होंने किया. And also ask, and also in another rape case, a rapist also says don't worry if she thinks that she will not get married. The rapist was ready to marry her. I mean, what is the hypocrisy? Okay guys, I'm done for today. I can't say huge things. Actually, I had a program in the Ciencia Park where the girls house actually in, and I think I met with this girl and she was also belongs to my school. Like मेरा school उनकी college उनकी school same है I think, क्योंकि मैं देख रही थी. So I am relating too much and this is not, I'm thinking like what is happening. मैं अभी भी शॉक में हूँ एंड मैं चाहती हूँ कि she may rest in peace. Thank you guys. Bye.